In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a single standard text block to your page design in Chrome and format it into two columns using custom CSS. We'll keep this simple and practical so you can follow along without confusion. The goal is to place one regular text block onto your page canvas, add your paragraph content, and then apply a small CSS rule so the text displays in a clean two-column layout. This can be really useful when you want long paragraphs to feel more organized, easier to scan, and more visually balanced on the page. Start by opening your page design editor in Chrome. Once you're inside the canvas or layout area where you build your section, add a single standard text block to the design. Make sure you're adding just one text element, since this method is meant to style that single block directly. After the block has been placed on the page, click into its editor area. Now type or paste your paragraph content into the text block's editor box. This is the content that will eventually be split into two columns. If you're pasting text from somewhere else, it's a good idea to quickly check the formatting and make sure everything looks clean inside the editor before moving on. Keeping the content tidy at this stage will help the final result look much better. Next, open your custom CSS configuration area. Depending on your editor, this may be labeled as custom CSS, advanced styling, or something similar. What matters is that you access the place where you can apply styling rules to the text block you just added. Once you're in that CSS input area, insert the following rule for your text block. Your text block ID / column count 2. Important, column gap 20 pekit. This rule tells the browser to display the text in two columns, and the column gap setting adds space between them so the content doesn't feel cramped. The important tag helps ensure the rule takes priority if other styles are already affecting the text block. Just make sure the selector matches the actual ID of your text block so the styling applies to the correct element. After that, click Save. Once the changes are saved, preview your page and confirm that the paragraph now appears in two columns. If needed, you can review the spacing and overall readability, but the main setup is complete. That's it! You've successfully added a text block and styled it into a two-column layout using custom CSS in Chrome.